Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to watch my latest videos, and this is totally free. Hello guys, welcome to Ambrosia the Divine Food. In today's video, I will show you a quick snack recipe that is fish balls with cheese sauce. It is very easy to prepare and you can make it and freeze it for 2 to 3 weeks for any upcoming party. So let's begin. For this recipe, here I have some boiled and shredded chilled fish. You can use any kind of fish of your choice. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add some black pepper powder around 1 teaspoon. Some salt to taste. Some chili flakes according to your taste, and some cornflour around 2.5 teaspoons. Now give a mix. Mix all of them together until it combines well. Now once done, here I have some egg and milk mixture and some breadcrumbs. Now prepare small sized balls with the fish mixture and keep it aside. Now dip this fish ball in the wet mixture and coat it with some breadcrumbs. And dip it again in the wet mixture, that is egg and milk, and again coat it with some breadcrumbs. Now repeat the same for all the fish balls. Now once done, you can fry them directly or you can store them in a Ziploc freezer bag for 2 to 3 weeks. Now for frying, heat some oil in a pan and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium to low flame. Make sure to fry them evenly from all the sides. So keep stirring. Now once they are fried, take them out and fry the others accordingly. For the sauce, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. And add 2 tablespoons of refined flour. Give a good mix. Now add half a cup of milk and mix again. Now once it starts boiling, add 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese and mix. Finally add some chili flakes and salt as per your taste. Now mix again and your cheese sauce is done. That's it. Your fish balls with cheese sauce is ready to be served. Serve them hot and enjoy. Do try this recipe this weekend and give a thumbs up if you like this recipe and leave your suggestions in the comment section below. See you soon. Happy eating.